Why I chose Brave as my Chrome browser replacement.
Like you're being held back? That's because you are. The browser you're currently using is loaded with trackers, cookies, and other data collection parasites that are constantly following you side to side as you browse. These drain your battery, slow down your loading speeds, and they cost you extra money in data charges. That's right, you're paying extra and draining your battery just to slow yourself down with invasive ads and trackers. But there's a solution. Introducing Brave Browser. It's up to 8 times faster than the browser you're currently using. You also gain over an extra hour of battery life, and your data plan goes twice as far when you browse with Brave. Brave shows you all the time you save by showing in real time all the ads and trackers blocked, so you can consistently see how Brave is optimizing your browsing experience. So, you want to load content, sites, and games faster, pay less for data, and you want a longer battery life for your device? Download Brave today. It's completely free, there's no trial period, no catch, and you don't need any plugins. You can listen to me, or you can listen to USA Today, CNET, CoinDesk, The Verge, or Forbes. So join the 8 million users who speed through the internet worry-free. Download Brave now, and in less than 60 seconds, you can import all your current browser's settings, extensions, and bookmarks. Yesterday was about big tech. Today's about us.
A new privacy-first browser can replace Chrome on all your devices. Brave is hands down the fastest browser I've used this year on any operating system, for both mobile and desktop. Memory usage by the browser is far below most others, while website loading is far faster. Brave is faster and more private than Chrome while maintaining support for Chrome extensions. The browser reimaged. Also available for Windows 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, Mac OS, and Linux. We all know what's wrong. As a user, access to your web activity and data is sold to the highest bidder. Internet giants grow rich, while publishers go out of business. And the entire system is rife with ad fraud. Take back control with Brave. Block data-grabbing ads and trackers. The vast bulk of websites and ads include software that tries to identify you. They want to track your every move across the web. Brave blocks all this, allowing you to browse freely. Blocking harmful ads and trackers means a faster internet. Brave loads major news sites up to 6 times faster than Chrome, Safari, and Firefox on mobile and desktop. Browse much more privately with Tor**. Other browsers claim to have a private mode, but this only hides your history from others using your browser. Brave lets you use Tor right in a tab. Tor not only hides your history, it masks your location from the sites you visit by routing your browsing through several servers before it reaches your destination. These connections are encrypted to increase anonymity. Earn rewards and support content creators. Earn frequent flyer-like tokens just for browsing. Turn on Brave Rewards to earn frequent flyer-like tokens for viewing privacy-respecting ads. You can set the number of ads you see per hour. Currently you can support your favorite web creators with your tokens, but soon you'll be able to spend tokens on premium content, gift cards, and more. Tip and contribute to websites directly through Brave Rewards. Today, you can donate tokens to your favorite websites. Coming soon, some creator sites will feature Brave ads, which helps them earn more ad revenue than existing ad models.